We have a diagram of a sphere, and we're looking for the volume. So the formula for volume of a sphere is 4/3 pi r cubed. So a couple of things you need to pay attention to. 4/3 is not very efficient if you say, oh, I got to do it as a decimal. Don't. Please just leave it as a fraction. Believe me, I'll show you why. Also, leave pi in terms of pi. Do not go rushing to turn that into 3.14. I promise, just leave it. And then pay attention to a couple of things. You are given the diameter in this problem. You are not given the radius. Heads up. So we need to begin by figuring out what the radius is. It's half the diameter. And so that's going to be one thing to pay attention to before you begin. Also, we need to cube. Cubing is 9 times 9 times 9, not 9 times 3. Do you see a 27 in here? There's no 27. So you have to pay attention to all of those pieces. So you can see as I go from this line to this line that I have cubed this. Doing your exponents in the order of operations happens before anything else. So I then thought about okay, I got a lot going on here. I took my pi and I put it down at the end. You can move things around, do them in a different order when you're multiplying. I also thought rather than multiplying 4 times 729, I would just divide by the factor of 3. And when I did that, the numbers are getting big. If I can make them a little smaller, that's good. So that left me with 4 times 243 times pi, and that gave me 972 pi. Keep in mind, pi is not a label, it's not your units, right? That's a value. So 972 pi, that's your whole value, and then you still need your units. So 972 pi centimeters cubed is the volume of this sphere.